Casmax has been continually learning and improving since its inception in 1996. In statutory audits and competitive tenders, it has been attested as the system by which all others should be compared. Why assure competency? Stakeholders, including investors, recognize how competitive the oil and gas business has become. They require ever-improving performance as we go through the great crew change, and experience is being lost at an unprecedented rate. We need to ensure corporate improvement by assessing, assuring, developing, and deploying people better by leading personnel towards corporate goals. This places the responsibility in the hands of the people that hold their competency most dearly, the individual. This will help retain and motivate the talented people we so critically need, whilst demonstrating the experience, skill, and knowledge required to achieve targets. Casmax is focused on improving performance and safety, whilst reducing cost. The system is fully compliant with all key industry guidelines for competency and has been successfully audited by international statutory organizations. In use since 1996, Casmax has been used by over 4,000 users within small, large, and medium operators, and with contractors internationally. Written by engineers for engineers, to be deployed readily in the workplace. Casmax provides a comprehensive illustration of your team's strengths and weaknesses to ensure that they have the required competencies adequately covered across the breadth of skill areas required. This enables further optimization to reduce risk and improve performance. Compliance monitoring of safety-critical elements required provides valuable insights into the robustness of the team for key issues such as well control, health, safety, and the environment. The user dashboard provides a graphical overview of progress through the system from data entry to supervisor validation. It shows compliance with safety-critical elements as required by the company. Outstanding development actions are highlighted. The status of certificates, upcoming training courses, and a historical record of profile submissions are also available to view here. Imagine the job as your left hand and the user competency as your right. Casmax compares the two to provide a simple graphical illustration of the strengths and weaknesses of the user against the job for the full spectrum of well engineering. Casmax is like a hall of mirrors, which helps users gain a deeper understanding of their own competency through a comparison of their experience and skills against the position, providing them with a four-dimensional perspective of themselves. Are they overly confident or conservative? Do they have sufficient experience? Have they provided a true representation of themselves in the position? System-led guidance is provided to the user on how they could optimize their profile before submission, reducing the time spent by senior personnel on checking minor issues with a profile. Supervisors are provided with one-click validation, which simplifies the verification process. This greatly reduces the burden of analysis by the supervisor and reduces cost. Since the user has been supported in providing quality input, the verification process is simple. Career development and personal growth is promoted through identification of experience gaps or setting up inspirational goals by assigning development actions. These can be entered by the user or the supervisor. Development actions can be collated across the organization to identify areas requiring training. Applicable training courses are highlighted to the users within development actions and on the available training page. New courses can be added by the manager or administrator of your organization. Users can upload certificates for attended courses and receive notifications when they are due to expire. The continuation of the cycle drives corporate improvement. Companies don't do business, people do. By ensuring our people are set up to meet demands, we can demonstrate to stakeholders that we have the skill requirement and personnel we need to improve corporate performance and avoid incidents and loss. We can better retain people by supporting their development and recruit or promote in response to skill gaps and corporate needs, whilst demonstrating that the organization cares. Our industry covers a wide array of skills and is not a small niche of engineering. With Casmax, the individual will gain a better understanding of their own competence and skill gaps so as to improve career planning to the benefit of themselves and the company by identifying training and development needs and progressing with a focus on key skills. This will yield a better future for both the individual and the company, focused on performance improvement, safety, and cost reduction.